Okay, well, it's time to get this off my shelf. It's kind of on my desk. Looks like it's good to go. I decided that I'm okay with that light not turning on. I'm not going to solder and jumper the wire I found, or the trace, maybe clean that up to where that would work. I honestly don't know if that actually ever worked from the get-go. Whatever the situation was, maybe cleaning up residue, maybe adjusting. Well, I don't know. Somebody may have been in here before. Um, uh, Golly, I hope it just wasn't I had a bad battery in there. The voltage was okay, but the capacity was too low. I'm having that week actually with two devices where the voltage tests good. And then my test measure, the generic test measure, the SunTech and that latest one I just made a video on, the voltage was good, but I guess the capacity wasn't. Anyways, this LED's never turned on other than when I'm testing it. I recently just found where I could jumper from the capacitor to the one lead. And that would switch on and off, indicative of the device powering on. Though I tested to see if it'd connect with solar, connected with solar, and so it's good to go. So this is going to pair my custom. This is my custom made. I painted that part white so it'll match this set. And plus, this keyboard didn't come with a USB dongle. This did. So yeah. Okay. Good to go. All right. Anyways, be safe, stay healthy. Until next time. Bye for now.